So becoming aware of all the sounds in the room. Taste on your tongue, the air on the nose. Feel the outline of your body. And see the colors behind your eyelids. As we sit and just let all the sounds fall away, all the thoughts fall away. Sitting like a mountain. Chin into chest. Elongating through the spine. Then placing the hands over the lungs and looking into the lungs. Look left, look right, look left, look right. Physically moving the eyes. Move the eyes left and right. Look left, look right, look left, look right. And see if you can find any grief or sadness. Something that perhaps upsets you today. Maybe you had to let go of something recently. Look for the grief and the sadness. Gather up that grief and sadness that you feel in the body. Gather it up in the hands, breathing in. Let the hands raise above the head, making the lungs sound. And let the hands drop to the side of the body. And just forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. Let go of that emotion back into the ground, back into the earth to be composted. Then bringing your hands back over your lungs. And again, looking left, looking right, left and right. Find the grief, find the sadness. Maybe another situation arises, something that's making you sad. Look deep down into the lungs, right into the bottom of the diaphragm. Collecting all that sadness and grief up in your hands, breathing in. Hands turn over, palms point to ceiling, and fingers face each other, and bring it down, back into the lungs, and back into the ground. Letting go of that grief and sadness. Forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. One last time, looking left, looking right, looking left, looking right. Finding that grief and sadness. Maybe it's dissipated, maybe there's less of it now. Let's see what else you could find that has a little bit of sticky grief stuck in your lungs. See what else comes to mind. Looking left, looking right, looking left, looking right. Feel that sadness. Remember that sad time. Breathing in. Raise the arms, turn the palms, breathing out. Let the hands fall down to the earth and shake it off. Forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. Let all that emotion go back down to the earth to be composted. Placing the hands over the lungs, filling the lungs with a beautiful white iridescent light. Filling the lungs full of a beautiful clear white light. And feeling the connection with each other. Everybody here online. Feel the connection that you have to your friends, to family. And now take that connection wider to the human race. Feel that connection and that support and fortitude filling the lungs. How courageous it is to connect. And just take the time to fill the lungs. Full of this beautiful healing, opening white light. So the lungs being the autumn of the body, let's move to the winter. Let's sweep the hands around to the kidneys, placing the hands on the kidneys. One over the left, one over the right. Using the eyes, again, we're going to look left, look right, into each kidney and see what fear, what terror, where were we really, really frightened? Things weren't going to go our way. Really frightened, really terrified. In a situation we felt completely trapped in. Look left, look right. Find that fear in the body. Find the fear in the kidneys. Breathing it in, really feeling it all. Place the hands around the knees, pushing into the kidneys, making the kidney sound. Choo. And again. Choo. And forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. And let that go. And again, placing the hands on the kidneys. Looking left, looking right. Left, right, left, right. See if you can really find that fear. Any more fear in the kidneys? Maybe you have a situation or a memory comes to mind where you were really frightened. Call that to mind and feel the emotion in the body. Breathe it in, around the knees. Choo. Choo. And release to the earth. Forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. Hands on the kidneys. Last time. Let's look left and right. Look left, look right. Look left, look right. Looking for that fear. A lot of that fear is dissipated now, but you might find little pockets of it. Maybe something that's really stuck. See what memories come to mind. See what feelings come to mind. Feel that fear at a real cellular level. Remember the memory. Breathe it in. And choo. Choo. And releasing to the earth. Release it to the earth. Forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. Covering the hands over the kidneys. And feel the flow. Surrender to the flow of life. Feel the strength and the fortitude again, the willpower, the ability to direct and go with the flow. You can think of water and imagine a beautiful, deep, dark blue filling the kidneys, full of this beautiful midnight blue. Feel the support of your ancestors as the DNA flows through generations, and feeling it giving you courage to move forwards with ease and flow. Then we move from the winter over to the spring. Let's go over to the liver on the right side of the body, underneath the ribs. And just looking into the liver. Let's look left and right. Left and right. Let's look left and right into the liver and see if we can find any time where we're really angry. We felt really frustrated. Bring on that memory, bring on that emotion, that tension, that fury. When things weren't going our way. Really look left, look right, look left, look right. Gather that feeling in, up, breathe in, interlace the fingers, turn the palms up to the ceiling. Slightly lean to your left, opening up the liver, use the liver sound. Shh. Imagine all that anger and frustration leaving the liver. Shh. And let it go. Forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. And again, placing the hands over the liver. Look left, look right, look left, look right. Feel into the liver. Remember any anger, frustration. Teeth clenching times. Breathing in. Interlace the fingers, feel the feeling, let it go. Shh. Breathing in. Leaning over to the left, opening the liver. Shh. Let it go to the ground. Forgive, forget, let go. Let the earth compost all that angry emotion. That's the earth is there to receive and compost, recycle all of this energy that no longer serves us and we don't need in our body anymore. Putting the hands over the liver, looking left, looking right, looking left, looking right. You might find that it's more relaxed now, but really look into every single corner. Any more little bits of anger or frustration that you're holding on to. Gather it up, breathe it in. Lean to the left. Shh. Breathe in. And down to the ground. Forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. And placing the hands over the liver. Filling the liver with a lovely, vibrant green, spring green. So you can feel flexible and creative. The whole body has loosened that tension. Every part of the body is feeling looser and more flexible. The liver itself is feeling flexible, full of this beautiful green, spring green. Give a beautiful smile to the liver. And the liver smiles back. And now from the spring, we move to the summer. Take it over to the heart. The heart has 4 cavities, and we're going to look left, look right, look left, look right. Looking into every single part of the heart and finding any hatred or bitterness. Someone might come to mind that we have real hatred or bitterness towards. Call that person to mind. Feel that emotion. Feel it. Really viscerally feel it. Breathe it in. Interlace the fingers. This time we're going to lean slightly to the right, opening the heart and saying, forgive, forget, let go. As you make the sound, you really imagine all the sticky, dirty color leaving the body. And again, covering over the heart, looking left, looking right, looking left, looking right. Find the hatred, Find the bitterness. Find it in your body. Pick it up out of the cells. Breathe it in. Lean to the right. Really feel that the heart is expelling this. And forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. Gonna do it a third and last time, just looking into the heart, left, right, left, right. Heart probably feels more clear, more open, but maybe there's a time where you're remembering hatred. Pick it up, feel it in your cells, gather it together, collect it from the heart, and release. And forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. Let it all go. No need to hold on to it. Let it all go from every single cell. Now covering over the heart. Fill the heart with a beautiful soft pink or a red color. If red feels too hot for you, go for a beautiful soft pink. Fill it full of love, joy, and equanimity. That balance that you get, no matter what is in front of you, what you hate or what you love, the feeling of equanimity, of balance in response to all things. Feel that love, joy, and equanimity. Now moving from the summer, we move to the late summer. Moving the hands over to the left side, underneath the ribs, the spleen, in charge of the late summer. We're going to look left, look right, look left, look right, left and right into all the organ, spleen, duodenum, pancreas. Look left, look right, and we're looking for anxiety or worry, overthinking. When you're just either in the future all the time or reliving the past, feel that worry and anxiety, gather it up. And this time we're going to use the fingers. We're going to bend slightly over and use the sound. Breathing in. Feeling all that anxiety releasing out of the body. Now, forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. Be in the present moment. Feel into your body right now. And the peace and the comfort that you're able to receive from the earth. The trust that all is well. And again, covering over the spleen, saying hello, looking left, looking right, left and right, left and right, looking for the anxiety, looking for the worry, looking when you're in the future or reworking the past, going chewing around and around like a hamster in a wheel. Collect all that feeling up, breathing in and leaning forwards, fingers under the ribs. Really feel you're expelling from that noise is coming from the spleen. And letting that go. Forgive, forget, let go. Forgive, forget, let go. Letting it all drop down. And last time, covering over the spleen. Spleen feeling a lot happier now, but looking deeply left and right, to find right in the corners those feelings of anxiousness and worry. Things won't get done. Things got done the wrong way. Calling it all to mind, breathing in, let it go. Forgive, forget, let go. Let all that anxiety and worry go into the earth. And now covering over the spleen with your hands, imagine the spleen being filled with a beautiful golden orange light. The earth, the soil, beautiful fecundity and support that the soil can give. Beautiful golden orange brown. And feel trust, comfort, and an openness to receive. Receive the support from Mother Earth. Smile to the spleen. Let the spleen smile back. And releasing the practice. Let the hands drop, breathing in. Draw the hands up now, up, above the head. And we bring it down over the body, integrating that upper, middle, lower dantian, all the organs with a he. You might want to put your legs out straight. He. So you can feel all the energy coming through the body, right from the top of the head. He. Right through the center of the body, through the perineum, down through the legs, down through the ends of the feet, soles of the feet, and into the earth. Breathe it in. This time coming down the back of the body, through the spine. Collecting anything you don't want, take it down the backs of the legs, and into the soles of the feet. And just let the body feel integrated, all the organs, smiling at all the organs, feeling the organs smiling back. A vast array of colors. As the body becomes a rainbow. And feel completely at peace. And having released anything that didn't serve us. And feeling into your real true spirit. Which is love for yourself and all human beings. May I be happy, may I be well. May you be happy, may you be well. And may all beings everywhere be happy, safe, and well.